Disassembling a notebook is easy to say. Remove the screws and pry open the cover. But actually, it's up to the designer. Some notebooks pursue flatness. Always not easy for customers to disassemble the machine. Luckily, Firebat's AT15 is not on this line. If you want to replace the RAM and SSD, just need to find these 12 screws. Unscrew it. Although its back cover is also flat, but for easy disassembly. The opening extends to the hinge. No warping required. Only fingers can cut it open along the opening. Then you can see the RAM and SSD bays. For safety, we still cut the power. The power is under the SSD inside the black tape. You can pull it away with your hands. Let's put down the electricity. After that, you can replace the RAM and SSD normally safely.